Students, now let us see how can we subtract the unlike fractions. Here we have 9 by 10 and 3 by 5 two fractions, and we have to subtract 3 by 5 from 9 by 10. And here we can see these are unlike fractions because here denominators are different. Okay, so how can we subtract these fractions? बेटा जैसे हमने एडिशन में किया था टू मेथड यूज किए थे. ओके, एक तो हमने क्या किया था, पहले तो हमें दोनों मेथड में क्या फाइंड करना है, एलसीएम. और वन में हमने क्या किया था, इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करके देन ऐड. ओके, ऐड किया था. बट दूसरे में हमने क्या किया था, डायरेक्टली सोल्व किया था. ऐसे ही हम सब्ट्रैक्शन को भी किससे कर सकते हैं, बाय बोथ मेथड. ओके, सो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी subtract. So here first of all we need to find LCM of denominators. Here we can divide 10 by 2. So here write 2, 2 5s are 10 and here 5 as it is. Now here write 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now stop here and write LCM of 10 and 5, and it will be 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now by first method, first of all we need to write equivalent fraction of these fractions. So first of all write 9 by 10. Okay, and we need to write equivalent fraction with denominator 10. But here already given 10, so no need to write equivalent fraction of this fraction. So write as it is. Now write 3 by 5. Write here something by 10. Now let us see how can we get 10 from 5, by multiplying with 2. If we multiply 5 by 2 we get 10. So here also we need to multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. So 6 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Now 9 by 10 and 6 by 10 both are equivalent, both are like fractions. Okay, so now we have to subtract 9 by 10. Now here write minus 6 by 10. Now here we can see both are like fractions. So write denominator as it is and 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 6 will be 3 by 10. Okay, so now we can see 3 by 10 is answer. Now students, now let us see by another method. Okay, in this also we need LCM. So here we have LCM of 10 and 5. Okay, that is 10. So draw a line and write here 10. That is LCM. Now first of all we have to divide LCM by denominator. When we divide 10 by 10, we will get 1. So write here 1. Now we have to multiply 1 by numerator, and numerator is 9. Now sign of subtraction. Now we have to divide 10 by 5, and when we divide 10 by 5 we will get 2. So write here 2 and multiply by numerator, and numerator is 3. Now 9 1s are 9 minus 2 3s are 6 by 10. Okay, and when we subtract 6 from 9 we will get 3, and 3 by 10 is the answer. So we can see by both method we will get the same answer. I hope you all have understood it.